Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Material. Today we discuss about the topic atomic number and mass number. You can see here the figure showing the symbolic representation of an element, where X represents the chemical symbol for the element, A represents the mass number and Z represents the atomic number. Let's discuss about the topic atomic number, which is denoted by Z. Atomic number may be defined as the total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. As we know that number of protons is equal to number of electrons, so we can also define the atomic number in terms of electrons. In terms of electrons, atomic number may be defined as the total number of electrons present outside the nucleus of an atom. So atomic number is either equal to number of protons or number of electrons. Let's discuss about the next topic, that is mass number. It is denoted by A. Mass number of an element is defined as the sum of protons and neutrons. That is A is equal to P plus N. In the figure you can see X represents the chemical symbol for the element, A represents the mass number in which protons and neutrons are present, and Z represents the atomic number in which protons are present. Let's discuss about an example. You can see here the symbol of helium, where 2 is atomic number and 4 is mass number. We have to find the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in the helium. We know that number of protons is equal to atomic number. In this case, number of protons is equal to 2. Number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Therefore, in the helium, number of electrons is 2. Number of neutrons can be calculated by subtracting atomic number from mass number. Therefore, in the helium, number of neutrons is 4 minus 2, that is 2. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please subscribe the channel for latest updates.